afternoon everyone, my name is Sachi Majina Pujari and I'm from grade 9 and I'm from the Cambria International School. So, can you imagine a world where all the work you have been doing your whole life is done by robots? Like cooking your favorite meal to do critical surgeries. Every little thing is done by robots very efficiently. I'm sure this imagination excites you and scares you at the same time. But let me tell you, this is the future of our world. So from our project Robotics, we will show you some glimpse of the future. And
Myself, Ayush Dhankar, and I'm in AS levels. So let's understand what is robotics. Robotics is interdisciplinary branch of computer science and engineering. Its main goal is to help and assist human beings. It involves design, construction, operation, and use of robots. It integrates the field of mechanical engineering, mechatronics, bioengineering, electronical engineering, software engineering, etc. There are basically three laws on which robotics is based. The first law is that a robot shall never harm a human, or by inaction allow a human being to come to harm. The second law is that a robot shall obey all instructions given to it by a human. And the third law is that a robot shall avoid all the actions or situations that may cause itself to come to harm. Today we have three different models. The first one is Wi-Fi controlled robotica, second is Bluetooth controlled robotica, and third is obstacle avoiding robotica. Thank you.
My name is Bhav Sumit from grade 9. My name is Bhav from grade 9. So this is an obstacle avoiding robotic car. It avoids every obstacle in its path. It uses ultrasonic distance sensor, a servo motor. The robot checks how far the nearest obstacle is and then decides in what direction it should go. We have used ultrasonic distance sensor, a servo motor, two brushless DC motors, a Arduino Uno chip in which we have coded a program, two wires for battery backup. This is the electrical charge program. So wheels, and let me show you the demo. Connected.
Second.
So in this, the hand is acting as an obstacle for the ultrasonic distance sensors, and it is directly changing its path. The ultrasonic distance sensor are sending the ultrasonic distance sensors are sending the
So it has many advantages. It can be work in a mobile application robotic navigation system, and also in household work like automatic vacuum cleaner, and also in dangerous environment where humans could not work or survive there. This robot makes our work easy and safer.
My name is Seth Jadhav and I am from grade 9.
Myself Rachit Savekar from ASL.
So today I am going to talk about Wi-Fi controlled robotic car. It is controlled by using blink and roll application instead of joystick method. So here we only need to move joystick in blink and application so that it will move in forward, backward, left and right directions. Blink and roll application will transmit command to the car by using Wi-Fi. Blink and roll application is used as a transmitting device, and internal Wi-Fi module placed in a car is used as a receiver. So over to you, Rachit.
So basically, this is a model which we have made. This consists of many different parts. So we have our wheels over here. To power the wheels, we have brushless DC motors, as you can see over here, the yellow things which are there inside. We have 4 of them to power each of the wheels individually so that they can move individually as desired. Alongside that, we have used a 12-volt power supply. With the power supply, we have used 2 main parts which are there. We have used an L293 chip over here, as well as we have used our Node MCU microprocessor. So the basic functionality behind this car is that the controller over here will receive commands which we will be giving through our phone over there. After the commands are being received by the controller, it will be sent to the microprocessor over here. Now the microprocessor over here will act as a brain towards the whole car. The car over here, the processor over here will tell the wheels like when should it move, or like at what time it should move, and with what speed it should move, etc. etc. So now I'll show you the demo of it.
So as you can see, this is the app from which we can control the car. So when I click on upward arrow, it will move in forward direction.
When I click on backward arrow, it will move in backward direction. When I click on left arrow, it will move in left direction. When I click on right arrow, it will move in right direction.
So as you see over here, the car does not turn like a normal car does. If you wanted to turn your car towards any direction, you would just turn the steering wheel towards your desired direction. Like say for example, you want to turn your car towards the right, you would steer the wheel towards the right. Then the front two wheels would steer towards the right, and the car would go on. But over here, as you can see over here, the wheels can't turn towards the direction. Like it is just fixed on one direction, which is the X direction. So to counter that problem, we came up with a solution that the one set of wheels will turn towards one direction and the other set of wheels would move towards the opposite direction. So if you were to take a right turn, these two wheels would move towards the right and the other two wheels would move towards the left. Now, apart from this, like this same technology which we have used over here, Bluetooth technology, has many different uses in the real life as well. This technology is currently being used in the commercial industry as well. This is currently used in factories, if I might say so. As you know that a factory has a lot of different parts like a manufacturing line, a processing line, a conveyor belt, a packaging system, a production system, etc., etc. The list goes on forever. So, like with this technology in place, you would just create a small parameter and you could call it a control room. From there, you could remotely control the whole industry that you have set up. Like, if you have a industry set up in 100 acres of land, so like with just like from just one place, you could control the whole factory itself. This is the beauty of this technology that we have used over here. Apart from that, this technology is also used in many different lifestyle applications as well. Like, say for example, you are going to sleep, but you are not able to sleep properly. What do? You turn on your AC. So, like to turn on the AC, you just press a button on the remote. Then how does it how is the AC turned on? Through wireless control. So, like this technology has many different uses in the real life as well. Thank you.
Hello and good afternoon. My name is Sudhansh Pareja and I'm from ESL. So, as you might have seen a few cars already, now I too have a car that I've made. So, this, as you see, as you have already seen a few cars, all those cars have their own unique purpose. This car too has its own unique purpose. What is its purpose? First, I'll name it. This car is known as a line following or a path following robotic car. So, I'll explain it with an example. So, let's come here. So if I place this car onto the black strip or the black tape, the car will move in the direction of the black tape itself. It won't go off the track or off the course. So for example, if I place the car on the tape, so first the tape is moving straight and then it takes a right turn. It takes a sharp right turn. The car too will follow the same. It will first move straight and then take a sharp right turn. So how is it able or how is it possible that the car knows when to move straight or change its direction? So it has these sensors, these infrared sensors. These emit waves and are able to detect where the strip's movement is. Like for example, it's moving straight or are there any curves or turns in the course. So yeah, that's it for this one.
What specific shapes?
So now let's move on to the next project. I'll be telling you. So here, this project might look like an overcomplicated piece of metal, but it has a very simple and basic piece. So what is it? First I'll show you its working. It can move backward. It can move only in two directions, backward or forward.
चलने देता हूँ उसको, चलने दे।
So now let's move on to its use.
Forward.
So yeah, let's move on to the use. So what is the use? Whenever I press this button, this piece of metal rotates. So what is this? This is known as an axle. So whenever I press a button, this axle rotates, pulling the chain which is connected to the gear, which allows the whole thing to move. So this concept is used in a cycle. Like when we push a pedal, the chain moves and the gear also moves, pushing the cycle forward. So here we have our next project. This is, you all might know already, this is a drone which is pretty common nowadays. And so what is special about this is, usually like nowadays drones are used in different functions and marriage functions too, like because they can get shots that normal cameras can't. See, you can see here there is a camera attached to the drone. So this drone allows us not only to click pictures, the like that is not possible for a normal human, but also like pictures in very dangerous locations, like not only in marriages but in storms and in like places where a human can't reach. So we have these two sensors which allow the drone, or which lets the drone know where it is and where it needs to go to. And that's it. So we might already know the idea of a prosthetic limb. So how does it work? How does a prosthetic limb work? So you might just see a hand, but it is designed above this. Like it is placed, or it is designed to look like a human hand. What is the mechanism behind it? There is this rotating thing like a gear which allows the hand to move, making it or allowing it to have the basic human hand purpose or human hands roles. Another robotic hand, and then this is the mechanism used in a flush, or like where we are like where we need a storage of water. Like if we press this down, the water will be released, allowing the flush to drain it out.